Now let's see the window of MS Access. Here we are having at the top the quick access toolbar, which is having save, undo and redo options. Before that we can see the icon of access. This A is representing, and next to quick access toolbar we are having the ribbon. Every tab has its own ribbon. Here we are seeing the ribbon of Home tab. In this Home tab ribbon, we can see various groups like Views, Clipboard, Sort and Filter, Records, Field and Text formatting. Next to it is the Open Table option, from where we can reach to any of the table created in MS Access. This time here we are having the employees table. So we can click on it and can get this table below. Below it we can see the various field names, ID, first name, last name, hire date, and we can have more field names also. By clicking to add, we can add more field names in our table. Below that, we are having the space to enter the records. One by one, we can enter the records in a table. Left side of our window is having the navigation pane, in which we are having various objects of MS Access database, that is table, queries, reports. So these all are the various parts of MS Access window. Now let's discuss about Create tab ribbon. In this ribbon, we are having tables group, the first group, with the help of which we can create a table in a DBMS file. We can create the table in three ways: table design, table with data and table templates. Table design creates the structure of the table first of all, and then we can enter the table data in datasheet view, whereas in table we can directly enter the data as well as we can give the headings in the field as a field name also. Then table templates, we used to have predefined templates which we can select, in which we can select various field names also for creating tables. Next comes forms group. In forms group we can create the forms for entering the records one by one in our database file. Next group is the reports group, which is containing the blank report and the report design, the main and the most important options. Others group is for designing the query, the query wizard, query design and macro. Query is the way to finding out the information from the database file.